Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to share with you a really easy density experiment that you can do at home. Check this out. All I'm using in this lab is a glass that's filled halfway with tap water, some vegetable oil, a couple droppers of food coloring, and a spoon. Fill a dish with a little bit of vegetable oil and then start adding drops of food coloring to your vegetable oil. The next step is to take your spoon and really start mixing in your food coloring. The next step is to slowly pour your mixture into your water so you have a nice layer of oil on the top. Now watch what happens to those little drops of food coloring that are mixed in with your vegetable oil. Look at that. They start to fall down through the vegetable oil and through that layer of water. And that's because the food coloring is more dense than the water and it's more dense than the vegetable oil. Look at them go. Now we know that the oil is immiscible in water because oil is a non-polar molecule. Water molecules are polar in that they have both a negative and a positive end. But oil is immiscible in water because oil is a non-polar molecule. And we know those little drops of food coloring, they're falling down because they're more dense than the oil and the water. Look at that. There's a little red one that's streaming down. Just awesome. And very safe to do at home. All you need is some food coloring, a little bit of vegetable oil, and some water. That is just amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.